radiator there.
Cool.
So we'll fit a boost controller as well, give it a little bit more boost. Just gives a little bit more fuel while we set it all up. Make it hunky-dory.
So as a rule, we usually do an ECU tune on most vehicles, but this is a 1HDFTE. Why not an ECU tune?
We haven't got connectivity to the ECU because the factory ECU have rebranded the chips that they use. So we've been trying to get a diagram of the chip, but we can't. So been trying. We could get the information and suck the information out of the unit, we could tune it for sure. But at this stage, it's been a bit of a no avail. So we've got to resort to this way.
Fair enough. But you're happy with the results most of these ones get out of them?
These engines are fantastic. So yeah, especially with this sort of level, not really pushing the engine, so it's safe and reliable.
I'll give it back to you and let you install it. Come back and see how you go.
We've got the DTE module on and given it a bit of a tune, set it all up. So we lifted the boost from 12 psi to 14 psi. We went from 145 horsepower to 180 horsepower. Picked up torque right through the whole rev range, up from 350 newton meters up to a bit over 500. So it should drive quite well. Go for a test drive and see what it's like.